Get to know America. Get to know America. I'll be with you with a new one every day. From my new place, meeting people on the way. Get to know America. Get to know.
So I'm here today at 134 Brayburn. This is my brand new listing in New Canaan, Connecticut. And we're gonna walk around the property. There's not much to look at yet. This is a major renovation in progress, and the purchaser can customize this property from the bottom up. So let's go inside and see what we got. Now, I want you to be forewarned. The first walkthrough on a renovation project is never pretty. All right, so we're going in to see what this place was and then get some ideas on what it could be. See what we can find at 134 Brayburn. You see in the background, they're ripping out walls. This is what I'm talking about. I love the renovation process. Let's get into it. So as you see, they already started taking up the carpets in here. This is what it's like to be in the middle of a renovation. Guys, if you take a look, Milan's over here taking down a wall. Woo! Milan, why don't you say hi to everybody?
Hello.
This whole wall too, this is coming down too?
Yeah, I'll be after later.
So first though, this is the space. Yeah. This is all opening up here.
Yeah.
So this is kind of par for the course when you're renovating a home. You pull all the trim, you measure the windows, and you get that window order in. In 2022, there are supply chain issues. I know that I've heard Marvin Windows, for example, it was always like clockwork. They'd have windows to you in about 8 weeks. Now they're 18 to 24 weeks out. And I know that they're using Anderson 400 windows, which are comparable and great windows, and they're going to be here in about 8 to 12 weeks. So you use what manufacturer and supplier can get to you first in 2022. You don't have the time, the luxury of waiting for a manufacturer to deliver windows to you when you need to get this property on the market and sold. Let's see what other rooms we have here. You walk down into your master suite and you're treated with the most glorious views of the pond. Now this is the magic of this property. You've got 2.77 acres and complete privacy. Views to the pond, and there's nobody around you. You don't see your neighbors here at all. That is probably one of my favorite details about 134 Brayburn, is you can be here and be completely by yourself. We're obviously in the gutting stage, which it's not that pretty, but it's going to be amazing. Again, guys, don't expect anything pretty here. We are in the renovation process. This is the pull and get ready for new stage. Nobody wants this old colonial casing from the 70s. This is the old trim. It's all going to go in the trash. Everything's on order. And when this place is redone with the proper trim that's reflecting this time in history, we're not dealing with old school colonial here. You know what I mean? This place is going to look amazing when it's all redone, repainted, and ready for the next owner. Always make sure when you're in a house that's being renovated that you watch where you step. There are nails in every piece of wood. Just give you an example. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 nails in that piece of wood right there. So always be careful when you're out on a construction site. Don't just step everywhere willy-nilly. Your boots, the rubber on the bottom, are not safe enough to step into a nail. You will hurt yourself and need a tetanus shot. Let's move on. And you see they actually took out the tub here already. It's been cut into pieces. It's in the hallway. There'll be a new double sink right here, new toilet. Everything will be brand new. And it's going to be a great bathroom. Right now, it just happens to be the old bathroom. But again, this is what we're here to do, is to turn this into something magical for the next family. So guys, I'm just about to leave and Milan says, hey, I took the wall down. So I wanted you to see real quick. This is what's happening here. This entire space will be opened. And as you saw over here, this is where the old kitchen was, and this will be where the new kitchen goes. This whole kitchen goes into here, right?
Yeah, all the way window, all the way go move it.
Oh, the whole kit, this is all moving out as well.
Yes.
So this is the major work going on here. This is not a minor renovation. And again, you can customize this project and make it yours. So I think that's it for today. Milan, thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate
Every
you.
time, every time.
He's the best. All right, guys,
Thank
let's
you.
get to know America. You're coming out the French doors, and you've got your own pond right here in the backyard. And this location is very, very unique. I always say when anybody spends this long in a house, family spends 10, 15 years in property, they spend 30 plus years here. It's because the location is amazing. Down in the lower level, you have tons of space that could be finished. This could be a play area for the kids. There's 1,000 square feet on this side, unfinished, 8-foot ceiling, and there's a ping pong table here. So we'll leave that here for you. On this side, there is all of your mechanicals, but there's additional space that you could actually work with. You could put a gym over here. So this place leaves you so many options for a lower level. The best part, it's a walkout.
Get to know. I'll be with you with a new one every day.
You know, I've got a million things to do right now. But when you sit here in a place that's this peaceful, it brings you back to mindfulness. The ability to shut it all off for a moment. That's a powerful lesson we should all be practicing on a daily basis. Find a way to shut it all off. So I wanted you guys to see everything's open. They took this entire wall down. Just the other day, Milan was taking this wall out, and I'm going to show you there's another wall coming out. So I think the idea would be open everything. Take this wall down as well. So now all you have is just one big open ranch. The one thing that should stay though is this wall. This will close off completely. So this door goes, and you've got a defined foyer here as you walk in. And then you see this entirety of open space. It's gonna be amazing. You've got views off to the pond. And every day I show up, there's something new being done. I love it. Progress. We're gonna have progress videos. I'll keep showing you what's happening here on a daily basis. All right, we're here today, and it looks like they've taken out more walls. And
He's going to cut these today, so if you want to come back, next time you come, this will be open.
that's awesome. Hey Milan, how are you? Guys, I'm here with the contractor and the interior designer. This is my father and my mother, Manny Pires and Fern Pires. Of course, you remember Milan from the other day. So you're going to cover the brick with shiplap?
Yeah, we need to leave for code enough brick because of the fireplace, the firebox. So you'll have to look around it with shiplap. Be kind of cool.
Yeah.
We'll mount the TV right there.
I think this is nice. This is amazing, all this open space.
And with this wall open, you'll be able to see that the kids are downstairs doing whatever. You have better, access and ability to see what's going on.
Living space,
Right.
which would be great.
I think walking in the front door and seeing right down, this is no longer a basement, it's a lower level. And you see two fully finished
All
floors.
that paneling's coming off the wall.
Yep.
So that'll all be nice and neutral. Yeah, it'll be all fine.
It's fantastic. Progress, we're making progress. So this will be nice, it'll be closed off. You walk in, you got a view in, but you don't see fully, and you see right down into the basement or to the lower level. Yeah, it's gonna be nice to see a view down.
You want, so you'll see, all this will be all new.
Oh yeah, I already shot this the other day. So the first episode was me just walking through. So I'm standing here with my parents. This is Fern Pires and Manny Pires, and they've been renovating homes for over 30 years. So tell me, what got you into the business of renovating homes?
Well,
It was my fault.
Oh.
Being in designer and having that as my background until I, started raising a family, you and your brothers, that kind of was put on hold. But once your boys started to get older, I pursued that, and then I brought Dad in to help me
yeah,
on a lot
I was
of.
in the corporate world, as you know,
Mhm.
and every time I got up on a business trip, she'd say, "Oh, you got to help me out. There's an open house on Saturday. I need your help because somebody screwed up, and I need you to fix it." To the point where it got to be so often, and it's something I really truly enjoy, that I left all that behind and got into it full time back in probably 87.
Now, if I
yeah.
recall, there was a time you were the first Handy Manny.
That was my name. Handy
That
Manny.
was his business card. I
Yeah.
wanted to make it
Yeah.
official.
If I had
So
coined that,
we
I could have
got
made
that.
a fortune. You know?
You'd be a
Yes,
millionaire
yes.
just in the name if you trademarked the name Handy
Exactly.
Manny.
Like each project that we get involved with, we really do take a
Yeah.
lot of heart and soul into it,
Yeah.
as if it were our own, and we
Yeah,
were going
of
to move
course.
in there.
To a
So-
fault. To a fault.
I know. You could attest
You
to
guys
that.
put too much
I
in,
know,
and then
I-
afterwards you don't get it all back, and that's the
Exactly.
Well,
problem.
the thing is, but you have to.
But
you
we
have
got
to
to
love
walk
what
away.
You do,
Yeah,
You
you
got-
need to
you
walk
have to.
away and have a clear conscience and know anything and everything in there is to
It's
its
done.
to its
Correct.
best, top quality.
This has been a progression because at the beginning it was, okay, great, there's a house that's priced at X and we can take that and do something. Now it's over the years you've learned that location is everything.
Oh my God.
Oh.
And
yes.
this is a prime example that you found a spot here in town where families want to be, where they can move into a perfect house. 2022 renovation. I think we need to get this place at least cleared enough so I can do the open houses on
You want
Saturday
this
and Sunday.
patio moved up too?
Yeah, because there's hardwood underneath it.
Yeah.
Just pull it all and show off.
The floor is going to have to be
This
redone
wiring.
anyway.
I got on my line to cut a hole up in the attic and slip it up there. Out of the way.
It's not a bad idea just to put it up there. We're not going to be framing right now. So have Milan, instead of breaking away this tile, just get rid of all the garbage. And then if he gets finished with that, then he can start breaking out the tile. But right now the priority would be, let's get this clean enough to have people walk through it safe.
Saturday morning, that's okay.
Yeah, because I don't think I'm going to do the open until maybe 1 to 3 on Saturday. This is the process here.
Everything is going to be wood, except for the bathrooms. Those are going to, this too.
Those are wood in there, and then everything in the bathroom be stone like usual. All
You
right,
know,
buddy.
man, so
I'll see you, I guess, later or tomorrow.
if this was really clean already, it'll be okay.
No
So I
problem.
know- I
No,
know-
no
Yeah, so I say
Okay.
clean first, and then later on you can start going away on the tile and maybe cutting away the wall.
Okay.
But if we can, I think Saturday and Sunday, I want to try to have a lot of people through buyers. So
Okay.
as long as it's safe for them to walk through, I
That's
think
why
we'll be okay.
This coming Saturday morning, Sean,
To get all
all
the.
this stuff will be gone. That'll be
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, this has been a great first meeting with my parents on
We just met.
American on American Renovation, and I will be back with a new episode probably next week or maybe monthly. I don't really know yet, but I will be back with another episode. So thank you for joining. There you have it. My newest listing here in New Canaan, Connecticut, 134 Brayburn. Remember, if you need a realtor, if you need to sell your house or buy a home, I can help you with that. Yeah, I'm here with you, and I have a series called Get to Know America. And I am also the Renaissance Man, but during the day, every single day, I sell real estate. I work with my clients to provide the best possible service available and also to provide quality content for them. So be a client, be a friend for life. I will see you tonight on Renaissance Man and tomorrow for another episode of Get to Know America, American Home Renovations. Until then, it's Mark Pires, and it's Get to Know America.
Get to know America. Get to know